Last time we had done use of alphabet till M. Now we are going to start with N. So remaining all the alphabets we are going to do. For ninja, I'm going to draw ninja. Close this line. Okay, close this line. Now one oval shape. Okay, now get a straight line here. Okay. In the middle, a very small A you are going to draw, and now you're going to close this line. This will be the pant line. Now for the shoes, see, I had drawn L, curve line. Again, this is ulta L, curve line. This way your shoes will be ready. Now for the hands, go straight. Okay, this is your hand, just slanting, one small U, and the hands are ready. And this is the sleeves line, shirt line. Now here I'm going to draw a V. See, V, double V. Now here N like this. Now draw 1, 2, 3 and curve it. So this will be your hand. And I'm going to draw a weapon in his hand because ninja having a weapon, right? So just a diamond shape, that's all. And the thumb line. Now the ninja face, okay, and the face, that much. This is your ninja. Ready? Now for the student who cannot draw the ninja, for them, okay, draw N up, get this line down of the N, one more line, see, only the small finger distance. Now curve this line on this. Okay, now this line you are going to get it down. This will be like a tree and a branch. Okay, now this is the nest. So I'm just going to draw a lines, cross lines. First you can draw a bird, small bird. You can draw a small bird also if you like, not necessary, but it's your choice. And then decorate your tree as you want. Okay, remove the line, just go for the tree like. So the next one, after N, O, very simple, just draw a big O in your drawing book or in the I had used a page. This way you can use it. Now this V, curve line like this. Okay, here like A like this and a half circle like this. Now the legs, very simple. Is it easy? Yes, children. I know that you can draw very nicely and you're going to draw nicely and then you're going to click your photo and show to me. Yes, this way you can draw the wings on this. One more thing, see, for the octopus, one more I said no, for O you can go for the octopus. See, now you can keep your finger like this, see, and then draw the lines, but I'm not going to do that way. I'm just going to go like this. See, your octopus is ready. This is also easy one. Okay, this is your P. Now just going to draw a curve line here like this. See, now see, I had drawn this. Now the eyes, immediately you will get the look of the parrot. Now go this curve line till the end, this curve line touching this line, and your tail will be like this. Now just curve line like this, so the wings you will get it. Okay, this way your wings are ready. As you like, you can give the lines and texture for the wings. Now the legs, see. Yes, he's eating some fruit. Yes, fruits are very nice for your health. You should also eat fruits. Yes, children. Now just whichever you like. Okay, now one more easy one. If you find this difficult, see, draw a small P here. Okay, now the wing, one small line, go curve like this, like a D. Go very big curve like this, to standing lines, standing on the branch, show the branch. Okay, lines, curve. This is your design. I think so everyone know how to draw the feathers of the peacock, so I'm not going to show the whole thing. You're going to do it. So this way your peacock is ready. Okay, this is your Q. Now extend this line till here. Now bring this line here. Okay, now the crown of the queen. See, I'm going to put the crown on this. Draw the design as you want for the crown. Okay, now curve line, eyes, very easy. Go 11 number, C, small dot, small m, the leaf shape of the eyes, and this is your queen. Okay, this is the hairline. Okay, this is the dupatta where the queen wears the dupatta also. Do this design on the thing. Draw your R, curve line, now the hands. He's plucking up the carrot from the ground. Yes, so he's pulling out the carrot from the ground. So this is the body. Now the face, just putting the, you will get immediately the face. Okay, that's easy. See, one more I'm going to show you. Make a R. See, R, extend this line like oval, join it oval. One more oval here, you will get the ears, eyes, nose. Now do A like this, like this. Now joint here, two, and then the legs will come like this. This also. That's all, and the hands will be like this. He's holding the carrot and his tail. It's easy. Chalo, good. So you can draw two rabbits in an easy way. Chalo, now the snail. Now S. Draw a S nicely like this. Okay, the curve line. The curve line. Go till here. Okay, now the beam. Eyes, just go up and down. This will be the feathers. Okay, the wings. As you want, you can just decorate your, color it as you like. And one more easy one I'm going to show you. See, S. Okay, join like this, tiny face to wing. This you're going to join like this, go round and round like a chakli, and just do this. Your snail is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Easy and very fastly we had done. Easy as for snail also. Today we had completed N to S. Next period we are going to complete T to Z.